Good day, welcome back to Sheldon's Gardening Tips, your complete DIY guide for everything lawn and garden care. Now today, I'm going to test out my Allett Scarify reel. So I'll basically be taking out the cut-in cylinder and replacing it with the Scarifier reel. So I'll be running over this Bermuda lawn and I will try to remove the thatch that is present within the grass itself. So the process of removing the reels is quite simple. It's just a matter of removing 6 bolts. Now, let me take you through that process. There are 2 bolts here that remove the cylinder. Then on the cover there are 4 bolts. So these bolts basically hold this cover in place. So by removing these bolts, basically all you're doing, you are freeing up the space to allow the drive gear to come out. So it's as simple as that. Now it's time to put in the Scarify reel. Then put back the bolts that were removed. Now the process is as simple as that. Okay, so the next step in the process is to fit the grass catcher. So it's basically a very simple fit. Then I will need to adjust the scarifier for it to scarify. So now to make the adjustment, I simply just need to turn this knob. Clockwise is lowering the height, anti-clockwise is raising the height. So I need to lower the height. So I'll be putting it on number 1. So that's number 1. So I will start the scarifying using number 1. I will see how much comes up, and then if further adjustment is necessary, I will make the adjustment. Just 2 passes of the mower, you can see how much dead material I've taken out. This is all dead grass. And then who would have imagined that the grass would have all of this inside? And this lawn was recently renovated just a few weeks ago. So right away I can see the benefits of having the scarifier reel. Okay, so I've done the scarifying and I've gotten 2 full. So my grass catcher was full twice. So this is what the grass now looks like. So there's hardly any touch present within the grass anymore. So now I've cleared the path for water and nutrients to enter the soil. So with this scarifier reel as well, it works like, let us say you're going to the barber and you comb your hair just before the cut. Now this combs the grass. So it causes the grass blades to stand up. So now when I go over with my lawnmower, I will get a very even cut. So with the lawn now Scarify, the next step is to cut the lawn using my cylinder mower. Now I've gone ahead and I've changed over the reels. So I've taken out the Scarifier reel and I've replaced it with the 6-blade cylinder. Now I've also gone ahead and adjust the height, because when scarifying, the height is normally lower than the height for cutting. Now, in case you're wondering why the grass is so brown, the grass is brown because I've had to do a height of cut reset. Now, what does that mean? I am used to cutting my lawn at 1 inch tall. So I was away for 2 weeks and the lawn had overgrown. Now, for me to get it back to the height that I was used to cutting, I've had to remove more than the 1/3 that I mentioned before. So with the grass, only the top third of the grass is actually green. Now everything below that is brown. That's how the Bermuda grass in particular is. So because I was used to cutting at 1 inch, when I came back, the grass was maybe 3 or 4 inches tall. So if I brought it down to about an inch and a half, which was more than the 1/3. Hence the reason why the grass is so brown. So I am now going to bring it down over time below the 1 inch and then allow it to grow back up and then start cutting at 1 inch again. That will cause the grass to get green. So there you have it. The lawn was first cut using my Rotary mower. It was then scarified using my new Allett scarifying reel. Then I went over finally with my cylinder mower. Now the mower was adjusted to number 4. Number 4 is 1.25 inches. Now the lawn is used to be cut at 1 inch, which I intend to bring it back down to. However, I don't want to bring it down in just one go. So maybe tomorrow I will come again and I will cut it down to 1 inch. Then the following day, I will bring it down to 3/4 inch. And then I start bringing it back up to 1 inch. So going forward, the lawn will again be cut at 1 inch, and then the greenery will be restored. So thanks again for watching. And as always, I ask that if you like my content, you will give my video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.